In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly write hooks using Grok AI. If you create content for blogs, videos, or social posts, strong hooks are your first impression. They set the tone, spark curiosity, and keep people from scrolling past. Today, I'll show you a simple workflow to generate and refine compelling opening lines with Grok AI. Start by opening Grok AI. You can visit the official Grok AI website in your browser or access it through the X app on your device. Make sure you're signed in so you can start a new session without interruptions. Once you're in, open the chat interface. This is where you'll type your requests and see Grok's responses in real time. Before you ask for hooks, think about the content you're creating. In the chat, provide your topic or idea in a clear, specific way. Share what the content is, who it's for, and the angle you want to take. For example, you might say you're writing a post about productivity tips for freelancers, or a video reviewing a new camera. The clearer your topic, the sharper the hooks you'll get. By the way, if you need quick access, I've placed the official website link, and if you're using the app through X, the download link right at the top of the description so you can jump in immediately. Now ask Grok to create hooks. You can type something like, write engaging hooks for this topic, followed by your idea, or generate attention-grabbing opening lines for this content. Grok will respond with multiple options. Read through them and notice which ones make you curious, promise a benefit, or present a surprising insight. Pick a few that match your style and the platform you're publishing on. If the hooks aren't quite there yet, refine them. Ask Grok to make them shorter for social posts, to add more curiosity for video intros, or to adjust the tone to be more professional, friendly, or bold. You might say, make these snappier, increase urgency, or rewrite for a playful tone. Iterate a couple of times until you have openings that feel natural, on brand, and tailored to your audience. That's the complete flow. Open Grok AI, enter the chat, share your topic, ask for hooks, review the results, and refine as needed. That's how you can quickly write hooks using Grok AI. Thanks for watching.